I didn't feel very safe here in Copacabana. I don't know why exactly. Might have been the groups of thugs attacking and robbing people in the avenues of Nossa Senhora de Copacabana. Might have been the homeless people who get angry and aggressive when you don't want to talk to them, and they start following you and cursing you out for blocks like a bugged out NPC, and then you have to go into a store with security and call an Uber to get the heck out of there. But at least coming here was a real adventure. And so, to hear about this and more, continue watching this video and be sure not to skip any parts. So, let's get started.
You know something? After watching the mulattoes shake it, I can absolutely understand why Brazil is totally devoted to my favorite body part, the ass.
So today, guess where I'm at? I'm at freaking Rio de Janeiro. Left Sao Paulo to come to here. And it turns out there's even more homeless here. Oh, look at that ocean. That's clean right there, look at that. We go back, look at the mountains. It's pretty nice. You just gotta watch out for, you know, thieves and robbers here. You can be walking around with your cell phone in your hand. But yeah, it's pretty nice here at the beach. Let's see what Rio de Janeiro has to offer. More Hioe than I thought. Hioe. Oh, it's not bad. It's pretty nice during this time. It's like around 10 a.m. in the morning. I don't see too many sketchy people at this hour. So it's pretty nice. Let's see what else Rio has to offer. Capinas, spread the beach. Check it out, here's the room at the Selena here in Copacabana in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Check it out, you come here, you got the huge TV. Look at that, this is like, I don't know, 70 inches or something. So look at that. Oh, got the ocean view of Copacabana Beach. It's pretty nice. We got an AC here, world's smallest AC, but it works pretty good. We got a working desk here with a chair. Got a closet in here. A place to put your bag. There's a bathroom, nothing special, but it gets the job done. It has hot water, good pressure. It also has a bidet. And that's it. That's Selena, Copacabana. That's a favela right there, right? You think we're not in the central of Rio in Copacabana? Oh, well, yeah, we are. Look at that. Not cutting, there's no cuts. Look at that. The beach is right here, Copacabana Beach, right? And then look, favela right there. And right here is Selena. Yes, I will be far away when I post it. But like, that's the stuff that nobody tells you about here, man. It's hella dangerous here in Rio. Even if you ignore a beggar in the street or they'll start following you, then they'll call backup and then you'll be in trouble. Best to do is go to a restaurant to hide in and then call an Uber and then get the heck out of there. Don't say I didn't give you any tips. To get here you need a reservation ahead of time because it gets hella booked. So I just arrived here by Uber. It's hella traffic coming from the museum tomorrow. Let's see what the heck this park has to offer. We're here walking through Jurassic Park. Some local Amazonian people over there. So I finally made it here. I had reservations, otherwise if you don't have reservations, you're fucked. It's pretty nice, look at that. Gotta wait in line. There's some people, get some photos, but whatever. That's what it is. Can you see Christ on that hill? I know I can. Tomorrow we're gonna be up there in the sky. So it'll look something like this.
Hold me now, I'm 6 feet.
We're here at the helicopter area at the airport, getting ready to take a flight to go see Jesus. Let's go see what this Jesus is about. There was a random couple in our group, a guy and a girl. The other guy also wanted to sit up front, so I challenged him to a game of rock, paper, scissors twice, and both times I won. Which also means you win too, because now I get to show you this amazing front view footage of the ride. It was amazing how much faster we can get through all the stuff on the ground on a helicopter. It normally takes 1 to 2 hours in traffic to get to this airport. The helicopter feeling is definitely different than on an airplane. You feel like you're floating above the ground, but without all the negatives of being on an airplane. Seeing the statue of Christ the Redeemer up close was amazing, with all the people on the ground smashed in together, trying to take a photo of the statue using the world's widest lens. I can honestly say this tour was worth it. Cost was $150 per person. Zeda menu with Sonic the Hedgehog. Olha já. Today we're here at the Museum de Manhã. I'm wondering if they're gonna have exhibit about the Café de Manhã. We'll see when we go inside. It doesn't look as good as it does on TikTok or Instagram. Those damn filters, man. But yeah, the side they don't show you is over here. Wow, look at that. Looks like San Francisco Bay, except cleaner. Reminds me of Hawaii a little bit. And it's got the bridge from True Lies, where Arnold rescues Jamie Lee Curtis on the helicopter. So after coming here to the museum tomorrow, I think that it's okay. If you're around the area to go to visit, in Hawaii, don't bother come here. That's my 2 cents. There's not enough light here at the Café de Manhã. Café de Manhã. Museu da Manhã. Let's come over here. Look at that. So we're right. Nice. Well, if you come here, definitely come to the back of the museum. This is where it's at. This is where you can take the good photos. So the one thing nobody tells you about this place is that it's located right in the favela. There's lots of tour buses that come here during the day. So as long as you stick to just the stairs area with the tourists, then you'll be okay. There's an El Salina hotel nearby here, but I wouldn't stay here because the area is a dump. With overpriced restaurants that have no business being overpriced. As for the stairs, it was pretty good. Too bad the original artist got killed by some crazy guy in a favela. But my tip for this tourist attraction is to Uber in, get your photos, and then Uber the hell out. Don't stay in Copacabana. You'll be better off in Ipanema or Leblon. When going to tourist attractions, I recommend Ubering in and out. Don't bother walking the streets unless you want to get harassed or robbed. There's a lot of beautiful sights to see here in Rio. It's just a shame that the government doesn't do anything to help with the poverty here. So if you know someone who's planning a trip to Rio, definitely tell them to not come alone and to definitely come in a big group. And also be sure to share this video with them. And until next time, peace.